Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to see like how we can make a custom tooltip. When I say custom tooltip, what I mean. So let's say, for example, for this, I have a sales superstore data where category, subcategory level, I have taken the sum. And if you see for subcategory office supply and art, there is sum of 26,000 is the sales. Now we want to understand is it possible to take, let's say for this particular art section, how many order IDs has been placed in a different region. And that too we have want to show in our tooltip. So let's see how we can do this. So for these things, first we need to create a blank page or whatever you can just rename it as tooltip or something like this. Now we have to go to the canvas page, canvas setting, and then we have to take the as a tooltip here. So if you see that the page has been shorted, the area is even small. Now we want to create our bar graph. Let's say I will create this horizontal bar graph. I will just do a bit formatting here also side by side. We want region wise order ID count. Here is the count. We have just let format it quickly. Uh, in y-axis, I want to title of then on an x-axis, I want title to because it is quite intuitive that West, these are the region. Then I go to directly to general title. Here, I will just remove order ID by just to make simplicity. You can do it at yourself also. Let me do the text color white, formatting, background, black. Then I will go again here, close the effect, background. Let's select black. We can also have the data label as well. Data label, let's change the color of data labels as my white font. So this is it. Now for x-axis also, if you can see the color, we can change it to white. Now this is it. Now we have to go to this page one where we want to show our tooltip. Select the chart, table, chart, whatever the visualization you are want to do. Go to general, tooltip is on. From report page you have actually generally it's default since we have created then report, then we need to select the page tool whichever the name you have below, and it's I guess done. You see here is the for art out of 26,000 sales it has been from west it has been like 245 orders, from east it is 225, and that's how we can create a tooltip, and it is quite easy. Hope you are able to create this tooltip from your at your end also. Follow for more Power BI updates, and you can check other videos and the playlist you can show here. Thank you so much.